Alright, yo guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Today we're in Prague, which is on the map right here. That's where we are today, checking out more of Europe. Anyway, today we're gonna fly the drone, check out Prague, and just see what it's about. So, let's get started.
I said I saw this morning where my heart would take me this time. Is love without warning the best love that you'll ever find?
Guys, today we're heading all the way. We're heading to that Eiffel Tower thing. Let's go check it out.
So I sail away. You are my harbor. You're where I belong. You're where I belong. You're where I belong. The colors and numbers, the sparks that you keep in your eyes. And each night I'm warmer, 'cause I know we share the same sky. The wind and the waves, they give and they take. The pushing and pulling, I know where I'm safe. I sail away. So I sail away. You are my harbor. I've been searching so long. I've been searching so long. I've been searching so long.
We made it, guys. Look at that. Now, we have to walk to the top of that. Lots of stairs. Let's go. Jad, now you're gonna walk to the top.
That's a bit hard.
You what? Yeah, it's fine, I don't care. It's better than taking a lift.
Sportsman.
Correct.
You can walk.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks. Wasn't too hard. Guys, we're leaving the town now. Heading to the it's pretty much the Eiffel Tower, guys. It's a bit different. We're just gonna go head into town, check out the atmosphere of this place, and see what it's all about. Let's go. My mic has broke off, so I have to hold like this now. Freaking hell. Sorry I haven't uploaded in ages, guys. It's just I've been exploring most of the time and just haven't really had the time to, I don't know, I just wanted to, I don't know. Yeah, I just wanted to enjoy it at the moment without vlogging, but I'm back now, guys. I'm going to be recording tomorrow as well, as long as doing interesting stuff, so that should be pretty easy to find. How have you been, Jad?
I'm good. I've got a microphone. So, on behalf of Dingy's sake, Dingy means Jack, by the way. Sometimes you just need a break, you know, smell the roses. So Dingy's taking his break, and now he's back at it to smash that like button, guys. Drop the mic. Bye.
Alright, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
What do you mean what? What am I supposed to do? You literally just showed the cameraman
And you
I was
just
like,
bumped
what?
me. You bumped me.
I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, Jack's just being a bit of a faggot right now.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.